Hello everyone, good day. This is Regula. In this video, I'm going to have a skills demonstration about bookkeeping. Now, what is bookkeeping? So, bookkeeping is the process of recording all transactions in chronological order made by business. So, the difference between bookkeeping and accounting is that bookkeeping is more transactional and administrative, while accounting is subjective. So, here is the accounting cycle. So, first, we're going to analyze the business transaction. After that, we're going to have a journal entry, and then after that, post it to the ledger. After, preliminary trial balance, and then adjusting entries. After that, adjusted trial balance, and then after adjusted trial balance, we have a financial statement. And after financial statement, we have the closing entries, and then after that, we're going to post closing trial balance, and vice versa. So to make it clear, let me show you an example. So an example of accounting cycle. So we have here this is the business transaction and its chart of accounts. So after analyzing business transaction, again we're going to make a journal entry. So the journal entry or the journal is look like this. We have the date, particular, the account number, debit, and credit. So in this example, we debit cash and equipment. And we credited the RS capital. And debit and credit must be equal. So we have 200,000 plus 30,000 is we have 230,000. So it is the same with credit. So after journal entry, we're going to post it to the ledger. So all account title must be recorded in ledger, even if wala siya soon. So we have cash, equipment, and RS capital. All cash found in here. All equipment, all capital, and like for example, accounts receivable also classified into its account name. And then after that, after posting to the ledger, we're going to make a preliminary trial balance to clarify if it is accurately posted to the ledger. So we're going to check if the debit and credit is equal. So we have here an example. We have debit 1,221,400 and also with credit, which is equal. So after making preliminary trial balance, we're going to have adjusting entries if there is any, and after adjusting entries, adjusted trial balance. So if you have a situation that you're going to adjust the entries, of course, adjust also the trial balance. And after that, make a financial statement. So financial statement composed into four. We have income statement, changes in owner's equity, and the cash flow and the balance sheet or the financial position. So we have here an example of income statement. So since I'm using periodic inventory system, so I'm going to calculate first the cost of sales before calculating income statement. So here is the income statement. It looked like this. So another is that after calculating income statement, we have the statement of changes in owner's equity. So we have here an example. So we have RS capital beginning since since it's not. So investment on 30, net income that we calculate. A while ago, we have 328,700 and the total of RS capital 508,700. And this equity, we're going to use this in calculating also in cash flow. So cash flow, in balance sheet na. So in cash flow, we calculate all the cash. So the cash here, so we have the operating activities, financial activities, and the investing activities. So after cash flow is the statement of financial position or balance sheet. So assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. So if dili na sila equal, that means na anay wrong. So after financial statement, we're going to close the entries. So close the entries into income summary. So it look like this. After closing entries, we're going to make the preliminary trial balance or the post-closing trial balance. And you're going to ang makita na ang post-closing trial balance is all the real accounts. So this is an example. So that's all. Thank you.